A very good morning to all students. Hope you all are fine at home. So we are doing your chapter 3rd of English grammar, that is subject verb agreement. So we have already done the A and B part of this chapter. So I have write here the singular and plural, filling the blanks which I have not write in the previous lecture. So it will be easier for you to choose where you have to write singular and where you have to write the plural on the page on the B part. Okay. So similarly on the next page also you can write how where we can write singular and plural, and only in the 17th part, that is 17th number, we can use singular as well as we can use plural as discussed in the last lecture. Okay, so now coming to the C part. Okay, so I have told you to do the C part by yourself. Okay, so see here. First one, they come over for a chat almost everything. This is the sentence, and we have here to change from singular to plural and plural to singular. Okay, if singular is given and singular verb is given, then we have to change it in plural, and if plural verb is and plural subject is given, then vice versa. Okay, so they means plural. Okay, so she, here I have written she, so आप he भी write कर सकते हो and she, you can use he or she also. Come is a verb, so I have changed the plural verb into the singular, that is comes. Okay, so rest of the sentence as it is. Okay beta, rest of the sentences as it is. Second, the teachers. Now here the teachers, it is plural, so I have written in the answer teacher, only teacher, that will be the singular. And host is a plural verb, and I have written here hosts, I have added s, make it a singular verb. Okay, then students, all students, it's a plural verb, so I have written here the student. Okay, for a particular person, the student. Okay, so this was my second part. Now next, third, children require an hour of play daily. Children require at least an hour of play daily. So here children means many. Yeah, that is plural. So I have written here a child. Okay, child for singular. Now require is for plural and requires is for singular. But the rest of the sentence is as it is. Next, fourth, students need to study hard throughout the year instead of just before the exam. So he's talking about students, means plural. So we have written here student. A student means for a single person. A student. Need is a plural verb, and needs kya hai? It's a singular verb. Okay, so we always add as to make it a singular verb, and the rest of the sentence is as it is. Next, fifth part, repeated cyclones have led to a lot of destruction in Odisha. Repeated cyclones, repetition in there is cyclones, that means it's a plural verb. So we have to consider one, it's a cyclone. A cyclone, have is a have is a plural verb, so we have used here has led to a lot of destruction in Odisha. Sixth part, parents need to spend quality time with their kids. ठीक है, parents here, many parents, but we are discussing, we have to change it in a singular, that is one parent. So one parent, need is a plural verb, needs, it's a singular. So here with their kids, we can write there with his or her kids. Okay, so the kid may be his or her, got to spend quality time with his or her kids. Okay beta, so this is all about your chapter subject verb agreement. Now I have given exercise and or you can say that worksheet for you to solve it. Okay, so choose the correct form of the verb. Here the sentence is given to you and in the bracket verbs are given to you. Okay, in the bracket, two verbs are given to you and you have to choose which verb is correct. It's is or are. You have to tick over that. Okay, for example, I will do one for you. First, Annie and her brothers. Now, Annie and her brothers. Wherever and is there, it's a plural verb. So you can write here are. Okay, wherever and is there, it's a plural verb. Okay, beta. So and are is used. So similarly, you solve the rest of the sentence. There are 15 sentences given to you and you have to write it on your notebook and solve it. Okay? Okay, beta. This is all about your chapter subject verb agreement. Thank you.